Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find out my Facebook password. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application and click on profile picture in the top right. From here you need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Then you simply need to click on settings and here you need to click on see more in account centers. And here you need to click on password and security. From here you need to click on change password, but click on your profile of Facebook. But now you can see that you need to enter your current password. So how you can get that? So you simply need to go back and open Gmail and click on your profile picture on the top right. From here you need to click on Google account. Okay, scroll here, click on security, scroll down, and here you can see password manager. From here you need to find out Facebook. Let me enter my pattern and here you can see my password. You simply need to copy that, or if you want to see, you simply need to click here. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.